Back to another video. But today I'm gonna be playing this game called The Sims Free Play. One of my videos, I think it was the first one, that I was gonna play this, but y'all know what happened if you've seen the first episode. Right. Oh, what? No, I won't do that. Let's go collect the money. Oh yeah, and this is me right here. That's me. So yeah, why am I? Okay, why am I? No. Why am I in my clothes? Go change your clothes, you lady. Let's smell the clothes a bit. Okay, let's go to the hair. Let's see what type of other hair there is. Wait, where's the head? Where's the hair? That's. Oh, there's VIP ones, I guess. I wanna get one. I'm gonna get this one. Can we purchase it? No, I can't do that. Don't I already have some VIP coins or something? I wanna get it. VIP. If I call it VIP sometimes. Let's change our clothes. No, outfits are only VIP. I have to go to tops. No, that's way too many. Okay, let's go to tops. Ooh, there's a Sims. Oh my gosh, that looks horrible. It's hot outside. Actually, it really is. Where I live, Arizona. It's so hot. It's so hot. So hot. I need to stop wearing high heels on the air with some tennis shoes. Okay, let's wear like something to work out. Let's wear a brush. That's fine. You gotta go. No. Let's get some tennis shoes. Let's get these black ones. I'll match them. Alright. Here we go. Wait, no. Okay. Oh, no. Yes. Alright. See, just doing that. See my, oh no. I don't want that. There you go. Okay. Let's go up here. I have other two people. There are two boys. Alright, what are they doing? And some work. Money. We're going to have a little party in their house. Alright. Come on, people. Okay, so these two haven't talked to each other yet, so go. Be funny, that's 10 seconds. He farted. And then yay, they're friends. Okay, let's go. He's actually his best friend. What's this? Oh, never mind. Where am I? Let's be funny. How much? My best friend. We'll talk to her. Meanwhile, I'm gonna design the house a bit. Alright, we have to go to the house. Wait. Okay, let's move that more up there. This one. There. This. One. Because I was gonna get another little beds. For my friends. What? Confusing. I can't put it right there. Put it right there either. There we go, right there. No, we also want to put one right there. Okay, let's go back to the gun. See, now they could both. Oh, you were tying a shoe from the top. Nice. Where are you going? Oh, I wish there was like pools here or something. Hey, where'd she go? Oh, she's sitting up there. Can we get a pool? I don't think there's pools. Is there? No, there's not. Is there? Wait. What about this? Oh, there's no. Hey, we could have a wedding. Yeah. Don't they have? Oh, I have 0 VIP. I thought I got some this morning. Let's see. Anything else? Oh, there's not that much things here. Where's my inventory? Can I make a second floor? That's what I'm wondering. Okay, let's first house. No. Okay, can we wait 2 rooms? I don't want to make a room though. I want to delete this roof. I want to make a second floor. Can we make a second floor? I don't want that. Okay, this is the roof. The roof. Where's the green roof that I had? I really don't want. Alright, wait. Let's just make it bigger, I guess. I know, wait, never find it. Let's make. Wait. We're just gonna. And then. Oh no. There's also gonna be a room. But then we also need a door. And also we actually need let's put a TV in there. How many do we have? First we need a phone. right here. And then let's buy a TV right there. And then let's buy a TV right here. Bigger TV. There. Wait, no. Wait, so I need to stop. Okay, let's put this. There. And we also need the other one. Because they're like little brothers. Now. Okay. Can I call somebody? Let's see. Call mom. Let's go to his mom. Call your mom. Don't you miss your mom? Talking about fire drills. Sorry if this like video you can't hear me that much. It's because like I'm actually having fun with the game. Right. Okay. Okay, she could. Oh, let's sitting down there. Watch TV. Let's watch news. And then they also need a little chair, like 2 chairs right there. Oh no, why that's a good time? Wait, no. Sorry. Oh, there you go. The bag. Sorry, not a yakana. Was you not gonna when you I just need another one. Okay, let's put the TV there. Okay, you no. Stop. No! Why? No. Okay, no. I'm using X. Okay, because get the TV. We'll put you back watching it, okay? I promise. Okay. Okay, now you can watch it. Watch news. And then you could watch news too. And you could join in. Go. What was he doing? Go. What is he doing? Oh, let's turn in. What do you mean he can't walk with it? Just because there's a little plant right next to you. Oh, like, walk over here, walk over here. Here, walk over here. Then, no. Then, join in. Oh my god. Okay. Oh no, you can't. Okay, wait. What I need to do. Exit it. Because I had to go back and do that. Sorry. Sorry, guys. I think I'm gonna have to put like. Wait. First I'm doing the. No. I need to put this bed back in here.
Hey,
Wait, 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 wait.
you know you can put music in the background of your gaming?
Yes, I know.
Come on, let's do it. Before Mom comes.
Okay,
It's barely there.
I'm gonna end this episode here right now because it took too long.